This isn't really a selfie camera, it's pretty heavy. First snowfall in Virginia. It's probably not gonna stay. I'm getting really excited. This cabin's coming along. It's starting to look like a cabin, you know, especially because it's snowing out. The sun's setting behind me. As always, guys, thank you so much for coming and stopping by. I appreciate you guys' likes and comments, and if you're new here, feel free to subscribe. We're building this cabin, as you see behind me. Just snowed, and the cabin's looking like a cabin. It's looking awesome. All right, just wanted to show you what it looks like in the snow, baby. Woo! Come on, Ty. Come on, go, go, go. Come on, Ty, this way, Ty, woohoo! Come on, Ty, let's go. I buried some old metal roof under the snow, and I think I just died. Oh, I'm gonna feel that tomorrow. Hey everybody, welcome back to Woodness Goodness. All right, it is a beautiful day out. It is kind of cold. I mean, it's January, first week of January. And right now we're at a point of the cabin where there's a bunch of random little things that need to be done. Taping up the Tyvek, finishing the Tyvek, you know, going around making sure that where I sprayed some expandable foam, it kind of squished out in some spots, so I gotta cut that off. And basically I'm just prepping for the cedar shake siding. So I wanna make sure that if I needed spacers for OSB on the floor joists where I didn't have any, that's there. You know, I gotta make sure that all my surfaces are flush and even. So when I do put the cedar shake siding on it, it's not gonna be all weird and wacky when it comes down to the bottom of the cabin. I'm gonna get the flashing ready for the very bottom where the siding is gonna end, and some other random stuff. I'm gonna try and make this as entertaining as possible while I do it. I don't exactly know how I'm gonna do that, but anyhow, let's just do some stuff, okay? So I've got a joist here, or not a joist, like a, you know, I guess a floor joist or a beam here that runs all the way across, but it doesn't reach my sheathing, right? Because my sheathing is here, and I need to fill the gap here. So that's what we're gonna do. We are going to just slot this bad boy in, make sure everything meets to each side. So when I do put my trim on everything, it'll be golden. Next little job is finish Tyvek in the top, and I actually have a little triangle of OSB that I just have to stick up there so my siding can go right up to the underside of my roof, which is what I'm gonna do on the other side. This shouldn't take long, but like I said, all I want is the itty bitty little details that I either didn't do or forgot about, and do them now, so when I'm up there siding it and trimming it out, it's gonna be a-okay. Got all the Tyvek up. Now it is time to tape it all up and just make sure everything's secure.
Yeah. Well, you know who that was? Who Belichick really wanted to keep was the quarterback for the.
Yeah, Garoppolo. Yeah. And look at how good he is.
Yeah, if they had had him, they might have kept the dynasty going.
I know. They're going to be good ones. Honestly, anything can happen.
Yeah. I think we're going to end up playing. We're going to end up playing New Orleans.
I still can't figure out for the life of me how New Orleans is a wild card. Alright, that's the end of this episode. I know it's a little abrupt, but quite honestly, I don't know how long to always make these episodes. I've seen some YouTube channels that just keep going and going and going, and 20-30 minutes, that seems a little long for me. But anyhow, spoiler alert, you can see behind me, cedar siding's going up. And to celebrate the cedar siding going up, obviously you have to wait. I think you have to wait 1 or 2 more episodes before you start to see this going up. I'm still editing those. But to celebrate, and also for those of you who made it through the entire video, thank you. Because you made it through the entire video, you guys get to find out that I'm giving away stickers. It doesn't seem like a big deal. But honestly, I spent my month's YouTube earnings on getting some stickers made for you guys. Obviously, we got the log dog, also comes in hoodie format. We've got the, if you guys have a better idea for, I just call these the fries, the stick fries or whatever, you guys can come up with a better one. And then we got the OG stick fries stickers. To win these bad boys, I'm just gonna select a random person who has liked, subscribed, and who gives me a comment of the next sticker design that I should make for Woodness Goodness. And if you do all those 3 things, you will potentially and most likely win some stickers. I will reach out to you in a week, I guess. I don't know how these things work, but make sure you like and subscribe. And then, like I said, write an idea in the comment section below of the next design I should make. So you guys, hope you guys liked that episode. We got the Tyvek completely done. And now we're ready for my favorite part. Well, it's turning into my favorite part, but the cedar siding. It's gonna be epic. Okay? As always, guys, thanks for hanging around. Make sure you get out there and make some sawdust. And yeah, just be good people. Cheers.